The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a really cool phone. It folds in half, making it compact and easy to carry, but it also opens up into a big tablet. It's the best of both worlds. Samsung has been making foldable phones for a few years now, and each year, the phones get better and better. The Fold 6 is the most advanced foldable yet. It has a strong hinge, a great screen, and a fast processor. The Fold 6 has two screens offering a unique and versatile experience for users. There's a smaller screen on the outside which you can use when the phone is closed. This cover screen is perfect for quick tasks. It's great for checking notifications, taking quick pictures, or even sending a quick text without having to unfold the device. The inside screen is much bigger. When you unfold it, you get a tablet-like experience. It's 7.6 inches when unfolded, giving you ample space for all your needs. That's almost as big as a small tablet, perfect for watching your favorite shows or movies on the go. The inside screen is perfect for watching videos or playing games. The large display enhances your gaming experience. It has a resolution of 2176 by 1812 pixels, ensuring every detail is crystal clear. This means the screen is super sharp, making everything from text to images look stunning. The inside screen is also 120 Hz, making it very smooth and responsive. Scrolling through apps and content feels incredibly fluid and fast. The Fold 6 is a very powerful phone. It uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which is a top-of-the-line processor. It can handle even the most demanding apps and games. This new processor is also more energy efficient, meaning the phone's battery will last longer. That's great for people who use their phones a lot. Section 4. Memory for everything. The Fold 6 comes with an impressive 12 GB of RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking. RAM is like the phone's short-term memory, allowing it to handle tasks efficiently. More RAM means the phone can run more apps at the same time without slowing down. 12 GB of RAM is a lot, ensuring smooth performance even with demanding applications. The Fold 6 also boasts a generous amount of storage space for all your needs. You can choose from 256 GB, 512 GB, or even 1 TB of storage depending on your requirements. That's enough space for all your photos, videos, and apps, ensuring you never run out of room. With such ample storage, you can download large files and apps without worrying about space constraints. Section 5. Variants and colors. The Fold 6 comes in a few different variants. You can choose the amount of storage you want. There are also a few different colors to choose from. You can get the Fold 6 in black, green, or cream. Some carriers might have exclusive colors, so check with your carrier to see what they offer. Section 6. Capture the moment. The Fold 6 has a great camera system that stands out in the market. It has 3 cameras on the back, each designed for different purposes. The main camera is 50 megapixels, ensuring high-resolution images. It takes amazing photos and videos, capturing every detail with clarity. There's also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, perfect for wide shots. This camera is great for taking pictures of landscapes or large groups of people, making sure everyone fits in the frame. Finally, there's a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, ideal for distant subjects. This camera lets you zoom in on subjects without losing detail, maintaining sharpness. The cameras on the Fold 6 are some of the best on the market, offering versatility and quality for all your photography needs. Section 7. Price and availability. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is a premium phone. It starts at $1,799. It's available for purchase from Samsung's website and major carriers. Trade-in offers and payment plans can make the phone more affordable. The Fold 6 is a powerful and innovative phone. It's one of the best phones on the market. If you're looking for a foldable phone, the Fold 6 is a great option.